Okay students, now in question number 5 they are telling rationalize the denominators of the following. What does rationalization means? Rationalization means multiplying some quantity in numerator and denominator. But which quantity? Then question arises. So that number we always get from denominator. Here in this question denominator is root 7. So we never want denominator should be an irrational number. So to remove this irrational number from denominator, we rationalize the term given. Okay. So here solution, they are telling rationalize the denominator. So we will write by rationalization by rationalization, what we get? 1 upon root 7. What is in denominator? Root 7. So in numerator also we will multiply by root 7, and in denominator also we will multiply by root 7. So what we will get? 1 into root 7 will become root 7 upon root 7 into root 7 will become 7. Now here denominator is a rational number. This is our requirement and this is our answer. No need to further cancel it down. Okay, all this method we are doing just to remove irrational number from the denominator. Okay, now let's see one more example. Here two terms are given in denominator. If you observe properly, then how we will rationalize the denominator? First step, put the bracket. If they will not give in the question in our solution, first step will be we will put the brackets. Then by rationalization, what we are going to do? By rationalization, what we are going to do? We are going to take the number from denominator, but sign will change. Here you can see minus sign and we will use plus sign. Always during the rationalization, sign will change. Always. Here term was single, root 7 was single, so no need to change the sign. But whenever you are having two terms, always sign will change. And when sign will change, then again 1 into root 7 plus root 6. So obviously it will be root 7 plus root 6. And in denominator, if you observe properly, root 7 minus root 6, root 7 plus root 6. Which identity we have studied? A minus b, a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So what it will become? It will become root 7 square plus root 6 square. So then after that what it is going to be? What it will be? Here I have written plus by mistake. It will come minus. Okay, a square minus b square. Now what it will happen? The numerator will come as it is. So what numerator will come? Root 7 plus root 6 upon a square minus b square. So 7 square, what is 7 square? It is 7 minus root 6 square will be 6. Here 7 square means root 7 square. So root 7 into root 7 will be 7 and root 6 into root 6 will be 6. So obviously 1 will be there, so no need to write 1. So it will come root 7 plus 1. And this is our answer. Okay.